Joshua, do you want to tell us about what you've been working on this week?
Sure. I've been working on programming the autonomous for the robot, which is the portion of the competition in which the robot moves on its own without human intervention. I've essentially been making lists of objectives for the robot to complete during the competition. At the moment, we're just testing out ideas, but hopefully in the future we'll be able to collect some notes and put them in different parts of the competition.
Thank you. Hi, Will. What can you tell us about what you've been doing this week?
All right, so we've been hard at work, just finishing and putting together the robot. Right now we have someone here, they're working on putting some nuts in the bottom of our battery mount so that it can go onto the robot and we can put the battery in it and it can sit on the bottom pan of the robot. Right here's the shooter we've been working on. We have to wait to exchange some of these pieces for steel so that we can put it on the actual robot. Electrical has been working on wiring all of this up, getting it all ready so that we can put it on the robot, and hopefully by next week they can start actually wiring stuff. Over there you can see they're finishing up with the intake system and everything so that we can finish that up and attach this whole shooting mechanism right onto it. We've got people over here, they're working on the bumpers, so I've just been kind of going around helping out where I can and making sure that mechanical is moving smoothly because it's taking longer than expected. So yeah, that's about it for this week.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Hi, Alec. What have you been working on this week?
Currently me and a few other mechanical team members, we are tasked specifically with building our team's bumpers for this year's competition. And I'm pretty excited about it because we're learning, in the past bumpers have been a little shaky for us, but now we're learning about new methods on how to build bumpers and how to kind of perfect that process. So currently we're just like putting the pool noodles around the wood frame over here, and then we're going to be covering that with some fabric. So yeah.
All right, awesome. Thank you. Hi, Maggie and Madeline. What have you been working on this week?
I've been working on the shooter, specifically the two top motors at the end of the shooter. And so what I'm trying to do is make it so the speed of the motor corresponds to how far you push in the trigger. Yeah, and I've been fixing a lot of merge conflicts too, so.
I've been working on a button that changes the set speeds of the robot. So if you were to press in one of the joysticks, it would make it go faster. But if you would press the other one, then it would slow down if you need to be more precise or whatever you would need.
Awesome. Thank you.